How to change board cover on Pinterest. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Pinterest application on your device. Then make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, you can just tap on the saved option, which is your profile as well. So just tap on it and you'll be able to see your different pins and your boards over here. Now just tap on both and go to any of your favorite pin that you want. Then you can see the option of three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, then tap on edit board. So right now here you can see there's no option to change the board cover as of now, but if there are any edits are available or if there are any accessibility for it, then you can definitely be notified by the Pinterest application itself. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.